once you have this, that means now you're ready to start doing your developments now. So what you're gonna do here, we're first gonna do the development of your main pipe, so that will show you how to get the shape of the hole. So what you do, or how do you work it out? You have to first calculate your circumference, and then you draw it out. Your circumference, here the diameter was 60, so it's going to be 3.142 times 60 to get your circumference. And then once you have your circumference, then you're going to divide it into okay, your circumference from here to there. Now what we're going to do is, now we have to first get the center of your circumference, and then after that you can just divide it into 4, so that you will have what, this half, that half, this half, and that half. So your circumference, after you set pi times diameter, after getting it, then you're gonna divide it into 4. Just do this, because for now our aim is to get a square line that will be 90 on this baseline that we're using. Okay, that's it. And then the length of your pipe will be this, like this length will be from here to there. And then once you have this, once you have this, what you need to do now, for you now to plot and get the shape of your hole, the X point, that center, that line, which is the main or the middle, the center of this circumference, we're gonna put it as X line, because even here it's X. So from your X to 0 and 6, I'll put it this way, X2, there is your 0 and 6, and then from 0 and 6 to 7 and 11, from 6 to 7 and 11, and then 3 and 9, you get it there. So 7 and 8, 8 and 10, and then you're on number 9, as we have number 9 over there. So what you do next, now you have to draw up your lines. Once you have these here, now I can come here from X to X, then from X on this side to X on the other side. And then, so that's XX, and then next one is what, 7, oh it's what, 0 and 6, 0 and 6 is over there, so to 6, 6 to 0, and then 7 and 11, 7, and then from 7 to 11, okay, and then the next one, it's 8 and 10, 8, sorry about that movement, table, and 8 to 10, and then to your number 9. That's it. Have your 9. So start joining from X now. From X, move to your 6. From 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 0, 0 to X. That's it. And then now you must do the other half so that you can have a complete shape of the hole. Remember, I said you first get it from here. That's your X. So from your X, go to 5 and 1. So that's your 5 and 1 line. And then from 5 and 1 to the next line, it's what? Your 4 and 2. And then from 4 and 2 to your number 3. Okay, that's your number 3 over there. And then again start pulling up your lines. That's your 3, then you pull up your 4 and 2, and then your 5 and 1. Alright, and then that's it. Come back here again now, just like we did. See what you first get your 5 and 1. That's your 5 and 1 there. Your 5 is over there. 5. One, and then next one is what? Your 4 and 2. 4 and 2 over there. 4, then your 2. 4, 2. And then what's missing? Your number 3. There's your 3 over there. That's it now. 3. Then you can start joining from X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to X. That's it. Now you have the shape of the hole over there.